I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel. Another report today showing the strength of the U.S. economy. The statistics from the Department of Labor for the month of April showed that 263,000 Americans found work last month. And that pushed the U.S. unemployment rate down to its lowest level in almost 50 years, down to just 3.6%. Wage inflation remains relatively moderate, up by just a little more than 3% for the month on a year-over-year comparable. That's got U.S. interest rates holding steady and markets liking it, sending stocks higher in the Friday trade. Now, the Canadian jobs report for April will be in a week from today. Big winner on Wall Street today, Amazon.com, on the disclosure that one of the biggest investment funds in the world is buying shares of the internet retail giant. Berkshire Hathaway, operated by the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, has been quietly buying shares of Amazon. This ahead of Berkshire's annual general shareholders meeting in Omaha, Nebraska, coming up this weekend. Buffett saying that he was a bit of an idiot for not buying Amazon earlier, considering the stock trades close to $2,000 and a market cap of almost $1 trillion. But some of his investment partners have been quietly buying shares most recently. Now, Berkshire Hathaway stock debuted in 1964. Had you put $10,000 into Berkshire back then, well, your rate of return has been over 2.4 million %. $10,000 in 1964 today would be worth $170 million in Berkshire shares. Well, FIAT-CHRYSLER can thank Ram pickup trucks for almost all of the company's profitability in the latest quarter. FIAT-CHRYSLER made just over €1 billion, or about 1.3 billion US in profit. 98% of that came from Ram pickup truck sales in the U.S. Even though overall sales for FIAT-CHRYSLER worldwide were down in the first quarter, Ram pickup truck sales jumped 20% in the States in the first quarter. Well, it's been a beyond belief debut for Beyond Meat, this protein-based meat substitute company, vegan products, for all intents and purposes, saw its share price debut at $25 on Wall Street Thursday, and over a two-day time frame jumped 175%, giving it a market value of close to $4 billion. The plant-based protein diet or meat substitute market is booming right now. Some of the celebrity investors in Beyond Meats include Leonardo DiCaprio and Bill Gates, and others are going to be debuting in that market over the course of this year, adding to more competition, but lots of growth specifically for that segment of the marketplace. We're paying a ridiculous amount for celery these days. $6 a bunch, or is that stocks? Anyway, they've gone up substantially at the grocery store. That's part of the market fallout from a bad winter weather for celery producers. And also a new fad diet involving celery juice, which is leading to all sorts of demand for stocks of celery, which are worth many stocks on the market. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.